Good morning, children. How are you? Today, our topic for conversation is beach. Can you see this? This is the scene of a beach. What is a beach? Beach is a land that is close to the sea. There is sand everywhere in the beach, and we go to the beach to enjoy, play in the sand, make sand castles, and swim in the sea. We play in the sea water there, okay? Now let's start. First, we'll see the date. The date is 8th of December 2020. 8, then a slant line, then 1 to 12, and then a slant line 2020. This is the date, and our topic for conversation is beach. This is a beach. What do you see in the beach? Can you see things all around? Yes, look at the picture and tell me what you can see. Yes, this is a sailboat. We learnt about a sailboat in the water transport. Yes, this is a sailboat. You can see the clouds, the sun, the birds flying in the sky. This is a beach umbrella. This is not a normal umbrella that we use during rainy season. This is a beach umbrella. It's a very big umbrella. And here some kids are playing. And you can also see shells. These are shells that are found in the sand around near the sea. And here you can see a snail. And here's a bucket full of sand. And here are also some cells. And what is this? Do you know what is this? This is a lighthouse. This is a lighthouse, and this is the sea, the water of the sea. And here in this picture you can see kids playing. These two kids, the kids in the picture are making sand castle. What is this? This is a sand castle. The kids are making sand castle. There is a sailboat sailing in the water. The sailboat is sailing in the water. The birds are flying. The kid is playing with the snail. And there is a lighthouse in the picture. And here you can see the kids are enjoying. The weather near the sea beach is very nice and sunny. You can see the sun. The sun looks very pretty near the sea beach. And the kids are enjoying over there. They are having a picnic on the sea beach. What are the kids doing? They are making sand castle. These are sand castles. So here the girl looks happy because her sand castle is ready, and the boy is making his sand castle. He also looks happy, and the boy is wearing a cap. What is the boy wearing? The boy is wearing a cap. Yes, and here the boy is playing and he is very happy. And there is an umbrella on the beach. There is an umbrella on the beach. And here what do you see? A bucket full of sand. There is a bucket full of sand. And here you can see there are shells on the beach. And there is a snail. You can also see a snail on the beach. Here, there is a lighthouse. There is a lighthouse. Now, we'll say 5 sentences about the picture. Let's start. There is a first sentence. There is a sailboat on the sea. There is a sailboat on the sea. There is a boy wearing a cap. there is a boy wearing a cap. The children are making sand castle. The children are making sand castle. The boy is playing with a yo-yo. The boy is playing with a yo-yo. There is an umbrella on the beach. There is an umbrella on the beach. There is a bucket full of sand. There is a bucket full of sand on the beach. I can see a snail and shells on the beach. So, these are few sentences that you must be able to say when you see a picture. Whatever you observe in the picture, you can speak about it. Simple sentences. I can see the birds flying. I can see the birds flying. There are clouds. There are clouds near the sun. There is a sailboat. There is a lighthouse. There are kids playing with sand. They are making sand castle. There is a boy playing with yo-yo. These are simple sentences that can be formed when you see a picture. Try to speak about the picture. This will improve your vocabulary and you will be able to make sentences of your own. And you will learn to speak in English. Yes.